Tom is 14 years old. He goes to a private school in the north of England. He studies math, physics, chemistry, biology, English, French, German, Latin, geography, and history. He does not do music or cooking. He does much sport from 2 to 3:30 every afternoon except Saturdays. He has lessons on Saturday mornings, but he is free on Saturday afternoons and evenings. On Sundays, he goes to church in the morning and plays games in the afternoon. He can do what he likes in the evening. In the evenings, he watches TV or does homework. Tom is interested in photography. Sometimes he spends his free time playing computer games. How do you spend your school days?